Abakulembeze mu bitongole ebyenjawulo bakubiriziddwa obutalwana ntalo za mwoyo nga bakozesa ebikonde oba okufungiza ku mpale wabula bazirwanire mwoyo. Okusaba kuno kukoleddwa omuwandiisi w'enkalakalira ow'omukyala w'omukulembeze w'eggwanga Irene Kawuma wabadde mu kusaba okwa The Mantle of Deborah. Okusaba kuno kuyindidde ku Golf Course Hotel mu Kampala.
That was involved in a spiritual and therefore refused to fight Canada. Because I know that there are offices who are so much. There are always information peddlers who give wrong information. Loaded with wrong information. People are injured. There's so much conflict. And so all these things you want to step up and sending WhatsApp messages, attacking people. The battle is spiritual. Esther, when she woke up from her sleep, realized she had to engage. She did one thing. She said, gather all the Israelites, gather the Jews, and let's fast for 3 days. And I will gather all the So I was telling leaders not to be donors. Find people that you can work with. Find people that you can pray with. Because an army is not made of one person. An army has many people.
Onera aina ebyawandiikibwa byajulizza okuva mu Bayibuli omuli ekyafaayo kya Esther era n'ategeeza nti singa abakulembeze ssaako n'abantu abalala basobola okugoberera ekyafaayo kino bandifuuka ab'enjawulo mu bulamu bwabwe.
Sometimes it's easy to choose comfort over purpose. Sometimes it's easy to forget that God gives you all His blessings so that you are a blessing. Sometimes it's easy to forget that every blessing from God comes with an awesome responsibility. So I was speaking and saying, so what helped Esther not to fall into the fatal trap? And one of the things I said is that Mordecai, she had a Mordecai in her life. Mordecai woke her from her sleep and said, if you remain silent, deliverance will come from elsewhere, but you and your father's house will perish. So the challenge I'm giving to you is who's your Mordecai who speaks into your life.
Okusaba kuno kwetabiramu abakulembeze ab'enjawulo okuva mu nnyaffe Uganda ssaako n'amawanga amalala. Onategeeza nti abantu bangi nnyo abaziyizizza bannaabwe abalala okubeera nga bavaayo nga n'olw'ensonga buvunaanyizibwa bwabwe okubeera nga beesegula.
I think that when we refuse to arise, we are sitting on His destinies. We need to arise so that others who are related to our destinies can arise. And at that point, I think that we must get to a point where we are ready to go against the tide. We are ready to swim upstream. There is no one who has accomplished anything who would not dare to go against the tide. And all these people we see, the three Hebrew boys, they say that our God is able to rescue us, but in he does not shall not bow.
Omulizo w'enjiri Apostle Isi Igineba okuva mu ggwanga erya Nigeria nga yakulira enteekateeka eno eya The Mantle of Deborah avuddeyo n'ategeeza nti abantu bangi abalwanyisa Katonda akadde kano ng'abamu ku bo bayita mu bintu ebyenjawulo omuli okuleeta ebisiyaga ssaako n'ebintu ebirala ebikontaane Katonda.
Men like Lamech were born out of Cain, men who were able to stand in their day and to declare that God has no power for vengeance. What Satan is doing is that he's seeking to harden the hearts of nations, seeking to harden the hearts of kings and rulers, seeking to harden the hearts of the young people, seeking to harden the hearts of a generation so that he might make babies with them. And everything that is born out of those hardened hearts can never carry the Spirit of God on the earth. They can never walk in faith towards God. And Satan wants this because when Jesus returns, he is looking for those who yet have faith.
Mu mbeera y'emu ategeeza nti ne Ssemazinga wa Africa awamu ne Uganda akadde katuuse okubeera nga basobola okutuula ku mmeeza okubeerako bye bagaayagaayamu era n'okwesabira ebyo bye beetaaga.
Sold like a slave, the way that Joseph was sold as a slave. For surely you have returned in your day, and you shall return in power, and you shall return in glory, and you shall return in favor. He says, Africa, you will not only be positioned by the hand of the kings, he says, but you shall also be positioned in conviction, so that no matter the authority that is bestowed upon you by the world, you will never compromise the standards of the word.
Abasumba wano mu nnyaffe Uganda abakulembeze okuvya ddala ku bakiise mu lukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu baminisita n'abakungu abalala tebalutumiddwa mwana era nabo batendereza ensisinkano eno.
Not for your own aggrandizement, not for your pleasure, not for your security, but to serve God's purpose. So what we need to do is to pray and ask God to reveal to us His purpose and give us the grace to hold His offices in trust for God's purpose.
Yes, Kigongo, kulwa Channel 44 Oleguro.